I'm Tasha and welcome to QUB Conservation, your lockdown lowdown on new ecology research. In this series, we challenged biologists at Queen's to tell us about exciting new research in just a few minutes. Hello and welcome to today's episode, where we'll be speaking to Connie about her research into the social behaviour of animals.
I am Connie and I am an animal behaviour and welfare master's student at Queen's. I think animal behaviour underpins everything with animals, personally. We can't breed them without understanding their behaviour, and we can't even run experiments in labs without understanding their behaviour. So to study them and to know what they need and what they go through personally, I think is really important for us to be able to study animals in every field. So understanding how stress impacts a population, especially in the wild, can give us a good understanding of how we should not only be managing wild populations, as deer need to be managed in parks, but also we can take that on into conservation breeding programs. So I have just started to look at analysing a social network with fallow deer from Phoenix Park in Dublin. And so we are hoping to see if there are any patterns in the way that the hierarchy and the males work during the rutting season, and seeing if the pairs of males that interact with each other actually change their patterns in their structure. So social structure might be anything from a hierarchy to who an animal spends its time with. So when I'm talking about deer, the ones that have got the most prominent antlers, they're at the very top of that structure. And then you've got your young individuals that are at the bottom that maybe don't have the strength yet, but they will aim to be at the top of that structure at some point. We have a good understanding of how a social structure needs to form, or how an animal needs to be treated and what things may particularly stress them. We can then adapt that in these programs.